Alright folks, now I'm going to show off the advanced tool called the Industry Report. If you click on Advanced Tools, go to Industry Report, you're going to land on a page that gives you a lot of options. Now, what the Industry Report does is allow you to build a report of all of the top keywords from a variety of different domains, subdomains, pages, and even regular expressions of directories on websites. So you can build the ultimate competitor keyword report. And I'm going to give you a perfect example right now. So we're going to stick with this WebMD/diabetes search because it does give us the opportunity to look at a variety of keywords. So let's just take a minute and see who our competitors are. So we'll start with diabetes.org. Notice we're putting in a domain. I choose not to use the www because we're more likely to get more information. You can put in the www if you like. Now, the next one on the list is medicalnewstoday.com. They apparently have a section on diabetes. So just for the case in point, we're just going to use the URL here. So notice we've got a domain in the first one and a URL in the second. But then there's our WebMD example, and if you remember, we know WebMD has a lot of pages on diabetes. So we're going to come back here to SERPScape, and we're going to do that same example that we provided before of period asterisk diabetes, period asterisk. This is going to give us any page on WebMD.com with the keyword diabetes in it. Now, Mayo Clinic, that's another good site. Probably got a lot of pages on diabetes too. So let's pop them in. Who else? Wikipedia.org. They definitely are going to have a good bit of data. And notice by using this pattern here, we're limiting ourselves just to Wikipedia, or just to the diabetes pages on Wikipedia. Oh, and this one's really good. We should get NIH.gov in here. All right. So now we've got this pretty comprehensive report of 6 different major competitors and all of their pages that are about diabetes. And we hit the Build Report button. Now, if you remember from earlier, we're actually traversing almost 1 billion different entries in a database. So it takes a little bit of time to run, but it's still pretty fast, a couple of seconds. And there we go. Now we start to see all of the keywords come up. Now you'll notice a couple of different categories. The frequency is telling you how many times those domains that we used actually showed up in the list. So for example, for type 1 diabetes, 4 of the 6 domains that we just searched for, or at least URLs, showed up in the top 10 for that keyword. Now we also have the local monthly search for that keyword and the CPC, just so you have that data available. Now, right now we're showing 3,118 entries, but if you notice, there's going to be far more than that. So let's use the bulk export and just see how many keywords we actually end up pulling out. It's going to take a couple of minutes to finish the entire data set just because it is so large. Oh, I do want to point out here just how amazing and different this is from anything else that's on the market. What we've done here is built a master report based on all of the pages that have the word diabetes in them on your top competitor sites, all combined and deduped for you. So let's just go ahead and open this up and see how many keywords, like ketoacidosis, the pre-diabetes, low glycemic index food. These are words or phrases that are related to diabetes but don't have diabetes in them. And if you notice, we just built a report of 26,000 different rows. So if you want to build a comprehensive report of all of your competitors, this is the way to do it. All at once in a single report. That's the industry report for you, and I can't wait to show off some more tools. I think next you should head on to the advanced keyword reports or some of the other tools like Compare. So we'll give you some more tutorials, and hopefully you'll get more and more out of the tool. Thanks.